Machine learning has occupied every field, be it e-commerce, education, personal assistant, self-driving cars, and whatnot. It is everywhere. Now, what exactly is machine learning? Machine learning in general is a branch of artificial intelligence that uses data patterns to generate judgments or predictions. It allows computers to adapt to repeating processes and results based on past performance without requiring them to be explicitly programmed in advance as with standard algorithms. In simple English, it basically allows robots to learn from, predict, and adjust to prior behavior. It is a method of generating artificial intelligence without needing to predetermine all the guidelines and procedures. Now that we have learned the basics of machine learning, it's time to focus on subjects that will help you to become a machine learning expert. It's time to list out all the technologies that we need to learn. Firstly, computer science. A complete machine learning project that is successful will produce working software. As a result, since they need strong software engineering abilities to produce usable software, ML engineers are expected to have a solid understanding of core computer science concepts. Next, we need programming language. Learning a programming language is the next and most obvious step. You must learn how to develop software if a machine learning engineer's output is deliverable software. An understanding of a programming language is needed for that. The most used language for machine learning is Python. Some employers may require you to be knowledgeable in additional languages such as Java and C++ depending on where you work. Next comes data structure and algorithms. Data structures and algorithms are frequently disregarded when discussing machine learning, although this partially depicts their significance. DSA addresses answers to common problems in detail and gives us a clear idea of how effective each solution is. Additionally, it teaches us scientific methods for assessing an algorithm's effectiveness, enabling us to select the optimal answer to our problem from a range of options. This is crucial for a machine learning engineer because we might need to develop our algorithms sometimes, so having a solid understanding of DSA is crucial. Next comes basics mathematics and statistics. There is a lot of arithmetic required for machine learning. Our algorithm's ability to find patterns in data and use those patterns to inform decisions is made possible by math. In our ML careers, we may need to revisit various math ideas from time to time to comprehend various technologies, systems, and architecture to get us started. Machine learning requires data. Without data, there can be no machine learning. It's safe to assume that most of the data utilized for machine learning are structured despite the field's expansion into other fields that involve unstructured data. And finally, machine learning algorithms. Learning machine learning is crucial to become a machine learning engineer. Machine learning algorithms are classified into 4 types, which includes supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Learn it in detail. It would help you if you consider the options for several programming languages, IDEs, and platforms when creating your machine learning models. It would also help you next begin studying and improving each machine learning approach. Although the subject is broad, each topic can be taught in a few hours if you focus on depth. It would be best if you thought about one subject at a time, mastered it, put it to practice, and applied the associated algorithms in your chosen language. It would be ideal if you start practicing all the steps that I mentioned here. So, if you like the video, please subscribe to Simplilearn's channel. In case of any doubt, please mention it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.